Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Auth0 logs and tenant configuration using exports step by step clearly. To backup your Auth0 logs and tenant configuration, begin by logging into your Auth0 dashboard. Navigate to the Logs section from the left-hand menu. On the Logs page, locate the date range filter at the top. Select the desired date range for which you want to export logs. Click on the Download button to initiate the log export process. The logs will be downloaded as a JSON file to your local system. Next, proceed to backup your tenant configuration. Return to the Auth0 dashboard homepage. Select Tenant Settings from the Settings menu on the left. In the Tenant Settings page, locate the Export option. Click on the Export button to download your tenant configuration. This will download a JSON file containing your tenant settings. Make sure to store both the logs and tenant configuration files in a secure location. Consider using a version control system or cloud storage for better management. Ensure regular backups to keep your data safe and accessible. Review these files periodically to stay updated on your configuration. This concludes the step-by-step backup process for Auth0 logs and tenant configuration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.